Hi, this is Danielle. I have created an interactive activity using one of the readily available teacher productive tools. So I created an interactive quiz through the PowerPoint. Right. So I decided to go for a Walt Disney topic since it is my childhood and I am still a fan up until now. I created this PowerPoint presentation to be fun, interactive, and easy to follow, easy to read. Lots of fun images and GIFs for any visual supports. All right, so let's begin the Walt Disney quiz. All right, in the movie Frozen, which song does Elsa sing as she builds the castle? A, Let It Go, B, A Whole New World, C, Reflection, or D, In the Summer. I also just want to pause real quick and even for the, all of these, the questions and the multiple choice, very simple. It's straight to the point and there's still images for us to enjoy visually. All right, so let's answer. A, Let It Go. Hooray, you got it right. And Mickey Mouse gives us a thumbs up. All right, and then we can continue the quiz. True or false? In Peter Pan movie, Captain Hook has a hook on his left hand. Let's say false and see what happens. It says, oh no, try again, folks. All right, so we can either try again or we can just continue the quiz, but let's see and try to make it correct. Hooray, there's Mickey Mouse saying good job again. All right, continue the quiz. All right, what is the name of the Lion King? A, Tumba, B, Mufasa, C, Zazu, or D, Simba? Let's go for Mufasa. Oh no! Let's try again, folks. It's okay. Simba? You got it right. So there's an explanation saying Simba, a young lion who must embrace his role as a rightful king of his native land following the murder of his father Mufasa at the hands of his uncle Scar. All right, so we are finishing the quiz and let's see what we get. Oh no, it says better luck next time since I only got 1 out of 3. So that is my score, 33%. Okay, but anyways, this is the presentation and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.